guys, welcome back to my channel. I really hope you are doing absolutely well. As today's topic say, what to do if you are confused. Especially nowadays there is a lot of confusion just because there are a lot of options. No matter you talk about some of the higher education or you have to choose from career option, there are a lot of choices, lot of option, and obviously lot of confusion. So sharing few points which help me to get out of confusion. So the very first thing I want to talk about is slow down. Your mind is already full of confusion. There are a lot of options and you have accessibility, especially nowadays, to search anything and everything anytime. Or in another word, you can say take a breathing time. It really helps to choose a right option and get out of confusion. So now we all know there are a lot of options. So the second thing you can do, analyzing option as per your own interest. In short, it is always good to have less option and you have to analyze that option with your own interest. Also, I would like to add one line here. Know yourself better, so it will be really easy to choose option. Thing which I want to talk about is acceptance of situation. According to the situation you are confused, first accept it, then it will be really easy to find solution keeping in mind the situation. The fourth thing which I want to talk about is really tough when you are confused, but this is the thing you have to do it. Staying focused. Focus towards finding a solution and getting out of that confusion. So the next point which I want to talk about, when you are in confused state of mind, you can ask for help. Help me please. You can ask some of the person you trust upon, your family, friends, or you can visit some of the counselor to help you out from that situation. And for example, if you are really confused about your career, you can easily visit the career counseling people who really help you out to understand what is the market need and what is good for me as per my qualification, my interest. So one more reason why you should ask help from the people is might be possible that in past they have gone through similar kind of situation and the same confusion, and so sharing their own experience, it can be helpful for you to get out from that confused state of mind. Having said that, ask help from the people, but sometimes it is really not comfortable talking about the confusion and about the situation which you are going through. So that's why I told you before that try to share with your family and friends which you really trust upon, and it really helps. The next point which I want to talk about, every situation has something good and bad in it. Same for the confused state of mind. So at that time you have to look forward in a very positive way about new learnings that you have taking from the people experiences. Also in these kind of situation, if you are having friends, family around you, it's a really bonding time. Also it is really pampering time for you because your friends or family will really pamper you with a nice ice creams, or for me, peanuts. So moral of the story is not Sunday ho ya Monday रोज खाएं peanuts, but the moral of the story is no matter whatever situation it is, try to make it positive. Also, this is my personal belief also, no matter whatever situation it is, there's always some good things to learn from it. And same goes in this situation where you are confused. Point which I want to talk about in this, what to do when you are confused. So try to classify your necessary thoughts and unnecessary thoughts. Honestly speaking, it really helps to clear your confusion, because many times unnecessary thoughts make things complicated and create confusion. Also in this, many people who advise me and also worked for me is noting it down. What is necessary thoughts and what are not necessary thoughts, so that you can focus more upon necessary thoughts. The next point which I want to talk about related to confusion is take it as an opportunity to ask question to yourself. This confused situation, knowingly or unknowingly, is giving you opportunity to know yourself and learn something new about yourself. The next point which I want to talk about, don't hold yourself tightly to find a solution or get out of the confusion. Divert your energy into other stuff, something new, or some of the hobbies which you like, which you haven't done from a longer time, or reading some book. In short, diverting your mind energy into a different thing or different hobby sometimes give you an answer and help you to get out from that confused state of mind. And now, the last and very important thing when you are confused, sometimes you have to listen yourself. Go according to your gut feeling. Honestly speaking, this is my personal, experience also. When I was confused, not getting answers from anywhere and unable to find any solution out of it. So I always gone with my gut feeling, and guess what? It was right. So at last, I really hope that this video was really helpful for you guys. Also help you to make confused situation little bit easier and lighter. Also, I'm ending this video with few lines written by me. And till the time we meet again, bye bye.
जब समझ में ना आए कौन सा रास्ता चुने, तो थोड़ा रुक जाना अच्छा। रुक के थोड़ा खुद को जान लेना अच्छा। खुद को थोड़ा परख लेना अच्छा। और रुके हुए पानी की तरह थोड़ा ठहर जाना अच्छा।